What's happening, everybody? New episode, Pasty-T Garage, coming at you. Tonight, we're working 97 Mazda Miata. And one thing I noticed, the passenger seat, as you can see, it's out. The slider rail didn't do anything. I would pull up on the arm, wouldn't do anything. What I did notice is this rod, this piece of wire that basically connected both sides so that you could have, you can see now it's working. Both sides pull at the same time, so the whole rail will slide in unison. It was loose, so you would pull up on the lever and it wouldn't do anything. It would actuate the one side because it's hard, you know, welded on right here, but it wouldn't pull on this other side. So what I did is I had a roll of this rebar tie wire. There's different thicknesses. Can't remember what gauge this is, but it's something that I had in my toolbox, and really cheap. Basically what I did was, using a pair of pliers and some safety gloves because this stuff is sharp, I routed new wire through the holes, routed it around to the other side, made sure it was tight, kind of did it twice through the holes, wrapped it around a few times, and then cinched the edge. And now you can see both sides actuate at the same time. Now, I don't have the seat in, so it's going to be hard to slide the whole thing back and forth, but the seat wouldn't slide to begin with, so now it should slide. I'm going to go ahead and reinstall the seat and test it out. But if you are having a seat that has a similar type of wire for the sliders, this may help. Get some rebar tie wire, go ahead and loop it together, and you might be able to fix your seat. That's going to do it for me today. Thanks everybody for joining me. We'll see you in the next video.